Hola, mi nombre es Aida Milena Cristóbal Peteví, estudiante de la Universidad Abierta de Distancia UNAD, y para el área de inglés A2 les voy a contar una historia de terror llamada I'm Going After You. The horror story. At night, when a group of friends we sat around a bonfire to tell two paranormal horror story. When it was my turn, I remember my dad's horror story. I'm going after you. When my father was 12 years old, he lived a very small town with his mother and two young brothers. One night, he began to hear noise in his room, and the world woke up to say, "What was making a certain noise?" And Oblong asked was heard, but received no answer. In the morning, asked his mom, "Did you come into my room at night?" She replied, "No, son. My dad not to be afraid of strange noise, and he thought that it would be an animal that entered his room at night." Several days passed, until one afternoon his mother sent him alone home to his grandmother. We lived on the outskirts of town. When he was coming back halfway, he fell down, changed him the idea to walk faster and strongly. I need a voice that said, "Do not run, I'm going for you." He was so scared that he ran and vehemently. He saw a black shadow running behind him, and with a blow to the pack he fainted on the way. When he woke up in the was dying, and he had blood on his face and scratches on the back. Terrified, he rushed home to tell his mother what happened.
Thank you.